Yes, what's going on? I'm doing something with the these spindles for the blades for the mower, and I'm doing what's called electrolysis on them, where you basically take your battery charger. I know that looks crazy. Take your battery charger and you put it on this what am I trying to think of? You put it on the sacrificial bar, and then the other spindle is down in there somewhere. Trust me, it's down in there, and what it's doing is it's obviously taking the rust off, and there's about 4 quarts of water in there and a bunch of salt. And I got it on a battery charger right now. I've had it on there for about maybe hour and a half, 2 hours, and I'm just gonna leave it for right now and see what it looks like in the morning, and then I'll do it to that one. So and when it's morning, I'll show you what happens.
The next day.